What are you doing in here? What are you doing?
Oh no, you guys, where's my phone now?
Huh?
I got it, don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay. Hi there. Hello, hello. How goes it, amigos? I'm ready for a salad, I'll tell you that for free. I'm starving.
Is he playing with the cords?
I don't know.
I'm gonna take the cords out of the bag.
Okay. Good idea.
Yeah?
Good idea.
I'm gonna put the towels in the
Okay,
dryers.
we have everything we need here, all right? We have everything we need. We've got the pepperoncinis for the pepperoni juice. Ma's gonna have some salad too, but she's gonna add like the tomatoes and whatnot. I also got the jalapenos as what I'm gonna use on the salad instead because I'm a jalapeno kind of guy, not a pepperoni kind of guy. But for the dressing, we have to use it. So we're gonna stick to the recipe for the dressing. We don't want to fuck with that. I don't know what I'm doing, so we're just gonna stick to the recipe for the most part. We've got our red pepper flakes, you know. Got our grated Parmesan, red wine vinegar, minced garlic. All right, perfect. Italian seasoning. We've got red onion in here, green onion too. I love green onion, so I'm just gonna add that. Doesn't call for it, but fuck it. And then, yeah, we've got the ham, everything that we need too. So we're good. We're good on that aspect. You know what I mean? I also went out and got myself a nice knife. A little knife. I had no business buying a knife, all right? No business, but it's an investment, all right? It's an investment. I don't even know where to start. What should I start with? Like, should I start with like the dressing first or like... This might be the most organized I've ever been for, well, it's not a wine and dine, but salad tossing Tuesday. Okay, wait, yeah, what should I start with first? Like, what should I do first? Chop veggies? Make the dressing? Okay, wait, we're gonna poll it. That's what we're gonna do. This is a perfect poll opportunity here. Okay, quick poll. Okay, so the smiley face is gonna be chop the veggies. The crying face is gonna be the dressing. All right, so red is chop the veggies, dressing. Oh wow, it's a landslide right now. Oh, it's a landslide. It looks like we're doing the dressing. Why am I nervous to do this right now? I know it's like it should be basic. It's just a salad, you know what I mean? But like, it's been a while since we've chefed it up on live, and we're just making a salad. Goodness gracious. We're out of touch here. We gotta get going again. We're out of touch. We can do it though. We're gonna overcome. We're gonna overcome here, and we're gonna make a delicious salad. I finally figured out how to use these things properly too, so that's good. That's good. We're gonna need that. Beth, thank you for the meteor shower, Beth. Much love. Much love. Okay, so it looks like we're doing the dressing first. We're doing the dressing first. Oh boy. Here, you know what we're gonna do? You know what we're gonna do first so nobody comes after me? Wash my hands, all right? So nobody comes after me. Can you tell I'm nervous? Like, fuck. Grow up, Alex. It's a salad. Fuck. We're gonna make this salad our bitch. We're gonna toss the fuck out of it. Alright. Wait, what? Can you move the phone up? I can't, like, because of the way I have my phone plugged in, the way that the ring light is, and I have to have it, like, kind of how it is right now. But once we have it done, and, like, the salad's made and everything, we'll change it. We'll change it then. Okay, so salad dressing first. First, we need a cup of mayo. All right, we're gonna put everything in here and then mix it all together in here. All right, that's what we're gonna do. That's the game plan. So we need a mayo. We need the mayo. Oh no, this is gonna make me gag. A spoonful of mayo? A cup of mayo? Oh my god. Ugh, I'm already gagging. At the thought of it. Fuck! Why does it bother me so much? I lost my train of thought. Doesn't matter. Okay, wait. We're not gonna do the mayo first, actually. You know, we're gonna do...
Do you need me to do the mayo for you?
What's that?
Do you need me to do
Why,
the
did you hear me gag already?
Yes.
No, it's okay. I'll overcome it. I'm just trying to come up with the best plan of attack here. Or am I overthinking it too much? Like, does it really matter which order I do it?
You're overthinking it.
Okay, so it doesn't matter which order I, like, mix it?
Just go for it.
Alright. Fuck it, we're just gonna go for it then.
He's in the bag again.
He's in the bag again? He is in the bag again. Alright, we've opened the mayo.
Why are you mad?
Oh, he's mad. Oh, goodness. I don't know why I thought it was going to be way worse. Oh, he's in the bag. Did anybody order a cat?
Yeah. Hold on, let's find out. Caitlin, did you do a Walmart order for a cat? Yeah. Did?
Okay, we need a cup. Holy fuck, a cup is... We need a holy fuck, that's a lot of mayo. We're just gonna shake it out. No, you know what? We're not gonna shake it out. We're gonna spoon it out.
I have to make sure he's gonna be alright.
What's that? Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I do need supervision when I'm in the kitchen, especially when I have a knife that's this sharp, or this sharp. I don't know why I was just gonna shake it out. Like, that's such a rookie move. A cup of mayo is kind of a lot. But I guess, like, it's the base, if you want to call it that. Is that a cup? Yeah, that's about a cup. Wow. The smell of that kind of sucks.
I know, Ivy, what's he doing?
Get it out here.
And then rinse it out right away because you're gonna need that one again for the red wine brewer, okay?
Yeah. The supervisor. I should have done the mayo last. That's what I was thinking about. But it's fine. Oh,
Sweetheart.
why is it's so bad?
I'm pretty sure it's rinsed out, yes?
What? I guess it doesn't have to be clean. I don't know why I'm trying to make it clean. Like it's just all getting mixed together anyways. Goodness gracious.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Boy child, I want to have a little bit of salad before I go to bed. I'm
Okay, sorry.
I'm so hungry.
Sorry.
I have to work in
Okay,
the morning.
we have the cup of mayo. We need a teaspoon of red wine vinegar. That was the worst part. That
Why
was
are
the
you
worst
attacking
part.
My feet. What's your beef?
Okay, a teaspoon. Wait, no, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Oh God, me and my shaky hands. I'm just gonna pour it over this anyways. Watch this. Oh God, why did it pour out like that?
What do you mean?
Did you see it? Like it doesn't pour out. It just like dripped right down the thing. But it's fine. It's all right. Oh, you know why? Because the thing that you're supposed to pour it off with came off with the cap. That's why.
Stop biting my feet.
That's why.
Oh,
I was like, why? That's a stupid design, but it's fine. Doesn't matter.
I feel like
Okay.
it needed a little bit more than that, though.
It was a full teaspoon, and some of it dripped off into the thing, anyways.
It's supposed to be a teaspoon or a tablespoon?
Or a tablespoon, I meant. A tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Then we need a teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna do what? We're just gonna do what
Yeah.
Ma suggested there. We're just gonna do
I'm
that.
supervising your brother.
Okay. We got the salt. We need a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper. So we don't need that much pepper. Do that much pepper. Boom. How we doing? A tablespoon of Italian seasoning. No, that's a teaspoon.
Kayla wants to know if you need the music.
I guess I don't really need the music.
She said she's trying to watch TV. Thomas, leave her alone. Why do you have beef right now? What's your beef, Chief? She's minding her business.
Get that in there. All right. Now we need 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Yeah, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic.
Yeah, in a minute, sweetheart.
You can dip it in there. All right, perfect. Boom. Now we need 3 tablespoons of peppercini liquid. 3 tablespoons of this. Holy shit, that sucker was on there good. That sucker was on there real good. Alright, I'm gonna pour this over the sink.
You could scoop it. Will the scoop fit in there? No.
Not really. Oh, that smells good. 1. Oh goodness, I'm making a mess. 2. 3. Okay. We're done with that. Making a mess here a little bit.
Okay.
Hold on.
Cooking's messy.
It's a little messy. Okay. What was I thinking of now? Okay, now we need a half a cup of grated Parmesan. Half a cup of grated Parmesan. Oh, I guess I need to take the thing off, yeah. That would be smart.
Thomas, leave her alone. It smells good.
It does smell good.
Yeah.
It smells really good. Oh. Yeah, half a cup. Oh. All right, do you think I should whisk it? Or do you think I... Oh, ow, fuck.
You could use a spoon. I would use a spoon.
Just use a spoon?
Yeah.
All right, I'll just use a spoon.
Mix it up good.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Smells good.
It smells and it looks really good.
Okay, are you gonna have some salad?
Yeah, it looks so good. It looks like a ranch dressing kind of, or like a dill kind of dressing. Yeah, it's probably good for mixing it, right? You'd think.
Did you get it way at the bottom? Give it a good scoop around. Good.
Okay, so now we just need. Well, no, wait. We'll do the veggies first.
I'm scared. Just pull it out
Oh wow.
because it sharpens on it.
Oh wow, it does. It sharpens on the way out. This thing is sharp. No business buying that kind of knife, but it's fine. Okay. It's not that sharp. I'm trying to think how much. It says half a cup of red onion, so I should probably do 2 strips, right?
Well, you're also doing green onion too, right? So that's up to you.
Yeah, that's true. I'm also doing green onion,
But
so
watch, you could also do this if you're scared. Look, you could also go this way.
yeah, that's true.
Like that.
That does seem a lot easier.
Thomas, you're gonna make the cheers.
Okay, that.
That's probably good, sweetheart. Because you're also adding green onion.
I don't. Yeah.
KK, are you watching Grays? Nice, babe.
Nice. Get all that off.
Get your lettuce out.
Okay. Yeah, and could you get the ham too, please? I'm gonna do some. I'm gonna dice up some jalapenos too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I'm gonna run away.
Can you add those in separate to your salad? Because I'm gonna have the peppercini instead.
Oh yeah.
Okay, please.
Yeah. I'll do those separate.
You can take, you know, those little bowls that we have in there. If you open the cupboard right above you, you could put those in the little bowl. Get them off here.
Yeah, that's what I'll do.
Like, you know, the little white ones.
Where? Like right above me here?
No, no, yeah. Yeah.
Oh no. Lost a few. It's fine. Throw them back in.
Few casualties?
Few casualties. It's fine though. Yeah, we definitely need green onion. I love green onion. Love green onion. Okay. Red onion. Okay, now we should probably do the ham. That's okay. Should I use the whole pack?
Yeah, you can. I would just put it, like, lay it all down and just chop it together.
Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this salad's gonna be so good. You know what?
Here, I'll make you some space so you can come back over here to eat it.
Okay. Thank you.
You can't have to take the... Smells good.
Smells so good. How much cheese should I use, you think?
Can I put these away?
Yeah. Yeah, save the blade. I didn't think of that. Rookie mistake there. Rookie mistake. Hey, Mom, how much cheese do you think I should use?
I don't know, but I would like. Are you mixing it all together?
Yeah, I'm going to. Yeah.
Okay, so you're putting it all in the one bowl.
Well, I'm just putting it there. Then I'm gonna put the lettuce and then just dump that all in. Yeah.
Okay, I would start with that.
That's good.
Yeah. But you're gonna chop it like you did the ham?
Yeah.
Oh, Ivy, you took my chair, girl. You stole my seat.
We're cubing it all.
Baby girl, what are you doing? And then just kind of eyeball it. Like, do you want more cheese than that? Is that enough cheese for you? It doesn't really matter. Cheese is cheese.
I think it'll be enough cheese. Yeah. Okay, wait, so how am I gonna do this, like, for both of ours?
Well, you're just gonna mix it all together, and then
So both
I'll
bags.
take mine out.
I'm just gonna use both bags of lettuce. Yeah?
I'm gonna eat this cheese.
I would too.
Can I I just want to separate. Like,
Oh wait, hold on. Well, I'll add the red peppers at the end of it too. So both bags though, yeah? There's carrots in here too, which is good.
I don't know. I think a bag and a half for just me and you is okay. Caitlin's not having any.
Caitlin's not having any? Wow, Caitlin, you're missing out, dude. This is a generational salad.
Oh, you are? Okay, she is having some.
So, 2 bags? Actually,
Will it fit?
I don't know. No.
Okay, then just leave this. And we'll use it to add if you want to.
Okay.
I was trying to,
Go separate some of the cheese. We're getting there. Slowly but surely, we are getting there.
Thomas, get out of the cupboard.
This is gonna be so tasty. This dressing looks so good. Like, so good. Look at this. I mean, you can't really see it that well, but...
Caitlin, do you want jalapenos in yours, or
Oh, it smells
do you want the other peppers?
so good.
Okay, sorry, honey.
No, it's okay.
Yes to what?
Voila!
Which ones? The jalapenos or the other ones?
Get out of here. Get it all out of here. No man loves Danny. Oh my goodness, look at this salad. Oh my goodness, look at this salad.
I'm just gonna use this bowl for my salad, okay?
Yep. It looks phenomenal. Holy fuck. Okay, now I should just do the dressing. Actually, hold on. Before we do the dressing, we need red pepper flakes.
And then don't be mad, but I gotta get a bowl for Caitlin. Actually, she can use some. You'll have to get it out of that cupboard. Like one like this. Okay, thanks.
Okay.
KK, do you need more ginger ale? You don't? Alex, do you want some ginger ale?
Do I want some ginger ale? No, I'm okay right now. Actually, yeah, maybe, please. We're using
Watch your head.
We're using Mom's pink tongs here. We're gonna use Mom's pink tongs to toss the salad. I'm definitely gonna have to add the rest. I just wanted to mix it around first to get it kind of going and then add the rest after.
Okay, ginger ale for you. I'm gonna put it over by your desk.
Make sure we get it all. Okay, yeah, thank you.
That's yours. I feel like that's enough.
That's definitely enough.
We don't want
dressing.
salad soup.
Yeah, that was maybe too much. Might have ruined it there. No, actually, no, it's good. Because there's a lot of lettuce.
Yeah, and if you like kind of scrape, yeah, like that. That way you can get all the stuff that's underneath and at the bottom. Nice.
Oh, this salad's gonna be fan-fucking-tastic. And if it's good, then at least now I know the
Okay,
ingredients.
so now kind of judge, do you feel like you maybe need more ham? Do you want more cheese? What are you thinking?
I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? More ham?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, yeah, maybe more ham. More ham. Here's what it looks like so far, though.
Thomas, why? Stop. Oh my gosh.
I still got all my jalapenos to throw on there too. It's gonna be so good.
And you don't want cucumber, right?
No, I'm not gonna put a cucumber.
Oh.
No. Oh no.
Okay, you open that while I get some napkins.
Should I use all of it or no?
No, because I want some for a sandwich tomorrow.
Okay.
Because I work, I get to come home for lunch tomorrow.
Nice.
Oh, my tomatoes too. You guys, look at my tomatoes. They're called sprinkles because look at how tiny they are. They're so cute. Look at these little babies. Aren't they cute? So cute. KK, do you want the little baby tomatoes in yours?
Ba-da-da-da-da. I feel like I need to start singing when I cook.
I think it's tossed up pretty good, sweetheart.
All right.
Ooh, a little bit there.
One here.
It's good.
good.
It tastes like a sub.
It tastes like a sub.
It tastes just like a sub.
Oh my god, I'm gonna love it then.
Okay.
All right. Next serving.
And then we can add more lettuce if you feel like you need more salad than that, but that's quite a bit of salad. Okay, sweet, thank you.
Okay, now that yours is done, you're welcome. I'm gonna add my jalapenos in there.
I'm going to reach across to here and I'm gonna take the pepper, okay? Thanks, sweetheart. It's delicious.
I'm excited to try. I'm so excited to try. Alright, now here's my bowl here. Got my bowl.
Okay, I'm gonna show them mine, okay?
Ooh. Ooh.
Thanks for dinner, honey.
You're welcome. This is definitely a lot of salad. Might not eat it all, but who knows, maybe.
Thomas, I want to eat my tomatoes. Okay, cool. Thanks, sweetheart.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
I'm ditching now.
Alright, see ya. It smells like a sub. Oh my god, it's holy fuck. Okay, hold on here. Okay. We're giving it a whirl.
Oh, what are you watching?
Oh my god.
Oh, do you want your ginger ale? I thought you were gonna eat the other version.
No, I am. I just wanted to taste test it. Oh my god.
You're gonna have jalapenos too. You don't want those? Thomas, here's your bag back. Actually, it scares me a little bit. I don't want you to choke yourself.
This might be one of the best salads I've ever had. No joke. Oh my god. That's stuck on the drawer.
Right? Doesn't it taste like a sub?
Yeah. What's it called? I think it's called like the grinder salad. Scale of 1 to 10. Honestly, that's like definitely a 9. It's definitely a solid 9. It's fucking fantastic. Holy shit. Trying to get everything to stay on the fork. So good. Hold on. I'm happy. I'm happy with it, how it came out. Literally tastes just like a sub.
Is there more dressing left?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna keep that.
Why, are you gonna use it on a sandwich tomorrow?
Maybe.
Oh, that would be so good. That dressing is fantastic. Oh, it'll be so filling. I'll definitely be able to save some of this for later because this is like, it's a lot. I don't know why it was like, oh, it's a salad. It's not gonna be that filling. So I kind of overdid it with how much I added to it. This could definitely feed a family of 4. Easily. Easily. Wow, okay. So good. You should definitely try this salad. If you haven't made this salad, I think it's called the grinder. You gotta make it. It's fantastic. Fantastic. Next week we're trying a different salad though. New salad every week. Should we just do it live like this? Should we just do it live like this on Tuesdays?
Yeah, because then you're more likely to do it.
Yeah. You're right. Okay, we'll do that then. Tuesdays we'll do the salads. Every Tuesday we'll do a different salad, a new salad. We might cut down the portion size, but
You should post the recipe so they can make it.
yeah, I will. What was I gonna say? Hey, Ma?
Right?
Every Tuesday we'll do this.
Yeah.
We'll do this every Tuesday, and then it'll also be earlier too. This was a little bit of. This was a later start, but we'll do it. We'll do it. We'll be more prepared next time. Now that we've got everything, and really all we need is ingredients. Do I need to buy a cutting board and a knife? No. But I wanted to. So I did it. Investment, you know? Investment. And yeah, this knife sharpens itself after every use. So that's good. That's good. KK, do you like it?
Yeah. Yeah, she does, honey.
Nice. I passed the sister test. Even KK likes it. Oh, Jill. Yeah. Emma?
Yeah.
If you just had like a sub bun or something and then just put that in the sub bun. Oh yeah. Get a fresh baguette on the side. Fuck, that was good. This might be the healthiest thing we've made on live. This was definitely the health. Yeah, definitely the healthiest. The jalapenos are so good in it. Don't mess. Yeah, I only gagged a little bit. Just over the mayo. It was like the thought of it. I don't know. Fuck. It's bad, eh? It's bad. Mo. No, that's the fountain that we have for the cats. It was fun. And we're gonna do the Rocket League tournament at 11 too. We're gonna switch it up here in a little bit. I'm getting full. Do the tourney at 11. Now you have all the dressing ingredients to make it again in the future. Exactly. Yeah. Well, I had to grab like quite a few things. Red wine vinegar. While we were at the grocery store too, grab some Cholula hot sauce. Grab some of that Cholula. Love it. That's so good. Okay, I'm gonna save the rest for later. After this bite though. Fuck, it's good. Cholula is so good.
And don't forget you have a pizza in the freezer.
Yeah. You can use the rest of this if. Oh wait.
No, I crushed it.
No, I was gonna say for like your lunch.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. I don't know how it'll be tomorrow with the dressing. That's why I was gonna save this.
Yeah, if you save that, it'll be good.
Yeah.
Holy fuck. That was so good. Yeah.
Okay, can you scooch out of the way for a sec?
Yeah.
I just want to get these.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, like if you want to munch on yours later.
Oh, Thomas just walked right on in.
Here, you could put the rest of yours in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the dressing here.
That dressing was so good. That salad, I'm very pleasantly surprised. I mean, I knew it was gonna be a good salad, but like, that was a good salad. I would even do those same ingredients with like a nice like Italian dressing too.
I like the dressing a lot. I feel like the dressing is kind of what made it.
You think so?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. That is true.
No, you're good.
That was the perfect amount of, I don't know if that was too much dressing for you, but that was the perfect amount for me.
Perfect.
It was like not soupy, but not dry.
Here, I'm just gonna take this.
Gotta soak them. Yeah, I'm gonna put my knife in there too. The knife. Never put a vinegar in the fridge. Yum. Yep. Can confidently say that's the healthiest I've
I mean, I feel
made
like
a
the
lot
mayo
of
kind
those.
of ruins the healthy.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
The
But,
mayo
like,
is the only.
That's the closest attempt I've had at like
But
fully
it's a
health.
salad. It's a salad. Okay, it's amazing. It's not Wendy's. It's not McDonald's. It wasn't pizza. High five.
Nice.
It was a fucking salad with vegetables in it.
Her name's Karen Jax and she approves this message.
I need to get this. Sorry.
Okay, ladies, we're gonna switch over to the TikTok studio. So if you're taking off, oh, I got some fuzz. If you're taking off for the night, then thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed and enjoy the rest of your night. Much love. And if you're coming along for the tournament, then I will see you over there in like 2 minutes. As always, love you, bye for now.
Love you. Bye.
Ciao, ciao.
Thanks for tuning in to our salad.